Hey guys, it's Matt here from Automotive Superstore, and today I've got with me Christian from JVC Kenwood with a whole range of Kenwood dash cams and rear cams as well for us to see here. So Christian, what are some of the key features with this new 2020 lineup of dash cams you've got here today?
Yeah, sure. So HDR, G sensor, wireless link via Wi-Fi, GPS, parking record mode, as well as a quick release mechanism for added security if you'd like to tuck away the camera while you're parked.
Awesome, so you can just pop it off and chuck it in the glove box and then it's all hidden away. Beautiful. Now obviously we've got a couple of different units here. I noticed there's a bit of difference in design and the style of the units. What's the main difference? I noticed this one here is quite a nice slim design. Is there any other differences between the units here apart from visually?
Yeah, sure. So basically with our DRV A301, that's a 1080p model. So that's full HD. That's only just a front camera.
Okay.
Crash cam, dash cam style.
Yeah, okay.
And then we've got the DRV A501W, which is a dual camera setup.
Yep.
And you get it as 2 camera setup, and it has 2K recording.
Oh, nice. Yeah, so good quality front camera. And is it paired with this this Kenwood
Correct.
camera as
so
well?
it's paired with the KCAR 100, which is a 1080p rear camera.
Yeah,
so
nice.
Finally, with the DRV A700W, which doesn't have a screen, but is also 2K recording, and is also paired up with the KCA R100.
Awesome, nice. So the main difference is obviously this unit here, 2K and has a screen, 2K and doesn't have a screen.
Correct.
Is there anything else? Obviously I can see we've got a hardwire kit here as well. How do you power on these units? Which units come with the hardwire kit and which don't?
Yeah, sure. So we sell the hardwire kit separately, which is also available on your site. These two here come with a cigarette lighter power supply, while the A700 comes with a hardwire kit.
Okay.
Which has self-tappers, so easy install basically.
Oh, nice. So it's sort of plug and play style thing. Right. That's nice. Awesome. Well, thanks for sharing some of the info with us today in regards to these cameras here. I think we've covered a fair bit. Is there anything else that sort of struck your eye when you're looking at these units that you wanted to share with us today?
Sure. So basically they all come with a 16GB Class 10 card, expandable to a 256GB Class 10 card.
Okay, awesome. So the user can expand the storage if they want to get the extra space there. Correct. Well, thank you so much for your time today, Christian. I really appreciate you sharing with us all this beautiful information. If you guys have any comments or any questions regarding these units, feel free to leave a comment in the comment sections below. These products are all available on our website, www.automotivesuperstore.com.au. And thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll catch you next time.